Many learners today want to enter data-related roles like data analyst, database administrator, or business intelligence professional, but they get stuck at the same point. They watch scattered SQL tutorials online, learn a few commands, and still feel unsure about how databases actually work in real workplace environments. What they really want is a structured path that teaches SQL from fundamentals to practical database management skills using industry tools. One strong solution for this situation is the Microsoft SQL Server Professional Certificate, offered by Microsoft on the Coursera platform. This certificate is designed to help learners build practical SQL Server skills step by step. The program teaches how to write efficient SQL queries using Transact SQL, design relational databases using normalization principles, manage transactions, and implement database security. It also includes performance optimization techniques such as indexing strategies and query tuning, which are essential in real database environments. You also learn how SQL Server connects with business intelligence workflows using tools like Power BI. This is important because modern organizations expect database professionals not only to store data, but also to help convert it into insights. Throughout the certificate, learners work on hands-on projects such as designing customer databases, implementing transaction processing systems, optimizing slow queries, and integrating dashboards with database environments. These activities reflect realistic workplace scenarios rather than only theoretical learning. This course is especially suitable for beginners who want to enter data roles, students preparing for database careers, IT professionals shifting toward analytics, or database administration, and developers who want stronger backend data handling skills. However, this course may not be ideal for advanced database engineers who already have strong SQL Server administration experience, or learners specifically looking for cloud-native database engineering using platforms like Azure data engineering tools. In terms of career impact, SQL Server remains widely used in enterprise environments across industries like finance, healthcare, retail, and software services. Building structured SQL Server skills and support roles such as database administrator, data analyst, business intelligence developer, and entry-level data engineer positions. While salaries vary by region and experience, SQL expertise consistently strengthens employability in data-driven technical practice. Role: the program is beginner level, so no prior SQL experience is required. According to the course structure, most learners complete it in about 3 months, with approximately 7 hours of learning per week. One important advantage of following a structured certificate like this is that guided learning paths usually build deeper understanding than randomly watching disconnected tutorials from multiple sources. After completing this certificate, learners can move toward career pathways related to database administration, data analysis, and business intelligence roles where SQL Server skills are directly used for managing data systems, writing queries, improving performance, and supporting reporting workflows. If your goal is to develop a strong foundation in relational databases using Microsoft SQL Server ecosystem, this certificate provides a clear and practical entry point into that direction. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.